The $6 billion earthquake-proof wooden skyscraper begins with visionary planning in the heart of Japan. Engineers study every detail of sustainable timber and seismic technology for this groundbreaking project. Deep geotechnical tests analyze the Tokyo soil to support the immense weight of the wooden tower. Japan commits $6 billion to build the tallest wooden skyscraper in the world. Millions of tons of high-quality cedar and cross-laminated timber are carefully selected and processed. The world's most advanced wooden construction techniques are developed specifically for this tower. Entire support cities are built to house the thousands of skilled workers and engineers. The construction site in Tokyo is cleared and prepared for the ambitious wooden skyscraper. Deep foundation piles and base isolation systems are installed to protect against earthquakes. Massive timber panels and steel hybrid elements begin arriving from specialized mills. Advanced command centers are established to monitor every stage of the project in real time. Tight safety and environmental protocols are put in place from the very beginning. Sustainability experts design ways to make the tower carbon negative and eco-friendly. After years of research and planning, final government approval is granted. From forests to foundation, this is where the $6 billion earthquake-proof wooden skyscraper begins its journey to the sky. Giant cross-laminated timber panels arrive at the Tokyo site after careful transportation. Tower cranes are assembled around the foundation to lift the heavy wooden elements. The first massive wooden columns are carefully lifted and bolted into the base. The core structure begins rising floor by floor using innovative hybrid timber systems. Advanced base isolation technology is tested to ensure the building can move safely during earthquakes. Protective scaffolding and safety netting are wrapped around the growing wooden frame. High-speed construction elevators and hoists are installed for the workers. On-site workshops prepare custom wooden components with millimeter precision. Temporary power and utility systems are established to support continuous construction. Wind and seismic sensors are placed at increasing heights as the tower grows. A central logistics hub coordinates the delivery of thousands of timber panels. Workers celebrate the completion of the first major floors of the wooden skyscraper. Floodlights turn on as construction continues around the clock. Every wooden panel is rigorously inspected before installation. The early wooden frame now rises against the Tokyo skyline.
We hit the first floor milestone.
On schedule and safe.
Teamwork paid off.
Yeah!
Woo! All right, back to it.
You got it.
The wooden structure rises rapidly as automated systems install floor after floor. High-strength steel joints are bolted into the timber frame for maximum earthquake resistance. Composite wooden floor slabs are laid across each new level with precision. Massive bracing systems are added to provide lateral stability against strong winds and quakes. Elevator shafts and stairwells are constructed inside the growing wooden core. Mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems run vertically through the entire building. Large tuned mass dampers are installed at strategic heights to control building sway. Prefabricated wooden and glass facade units are prepared on the ground. Workers in safety harnesses install elements at ever-increasing heights. Structural engineers perform detailed inspections on every completed floor. Tower cranes are repositioned higher as the skyscraper continues to grow. Interior framing for offices and residential spaces begins on lower levels. A major height milestone is celebrated as the tower reaches new floors. Construction continues through the night under bright floodlights. The wooden skyscraper now soars dramatically into the Tokyo sky.
Starting the partition frame here, securing this cross brace.
We hit floor 43!
Yeah!
The tallest wooden one yet! Marking it down! All right, back to work.
Robotic systems begin installing the sleek wooden and glass facade panels. Thousands of smart sensors are embedded throughout the structure for real-time monitoring. Ultra-fast elevators are fitted and tested inside the wooden core. Advanced fire suppression and smoke control systems are installed for safety. Sustainable energy systems, including solar panels and smart HVAC, are integrated. Lightning protection and advanced grounding are added at the very top. Luxurious observation decks and public spaces take shape near the upper levels. Automated maintenance robots are prepared for future exterior cleaning. High-speed communication antennas and 5G equipment are installed at the pinnacle. Final structural tuning ensures optimal performance against earthquakes and wind. High-end interior materials are brought up for luxury fit-out. Exterior and interior lighting systems are tested across the entire building. Comprehensive load and earthquake simulation tests are performed. All systems are integrated and handed over to the operations team. The nearly completed wooden skyscraper stands tall, a marvel of modern engineering.
Walkthroughs are done, all systems integrated.
Perfect. Just need to sign off on the checklist.
Sync is complete, we're ready.
Panels up, guiding it in, steady, line it up with the brackets. Locked, applying the seal now. Crown element in position, locking now. It's locked, spire is complete.
Attention all personnel. This is a fire drill. Evacuate the building immediately using the nearest stairwell.
Keep moving, stay calm. Rescue teams are assisting. Proceed to your designated temporary area.
All structural elements are verified. Checklist is complete. Digital records are synchronized. Final approval is granted. Certification is official. This atrium is incredible. The wood is so warm.
It's stunning and sustainable. How high does it go?
Perfect light. These beams will look amazing. It's 85 stories. Let's take the elevator up.
Yes, let's go.
Today, we open a new era in sustainable architecture.
This marvel will inspire zillion cities worldwide.
Together, we celebrate innovation and progress. Let the cutting commence! Wow, this lobby is massive. Look at that view, dear.
This is incredible. I can't believe we're here. The city looks so beautiful from up here. Welcome to the training for long-term care of the wooden skyscraper. Our specialized teams use robots for precise inspection.
Any structural issues?
Exactly. Let's review the safety protocols.
It is with great honor that we present this award. Certified for setting a new world record. A beacon of sustainable innovation.
Energy systems stable. Minor fluctuations in Sector B.
Acknowledged. Recalibrate sensors and monitor. Structural integrity is green across the board. Good. Keep the logs updated. The project generates billions in economic impact. Tourism alone brings in billions. Businesses see massive returns. Innovation drives future growth. A wooden skyscraper has achieved global landmark status. Now a symbol on structure represents a new era of sustainable architecture. Its recognition on maps inspires global pride innovation.
Robot, status check on this sector. Starting the wash now, looks clear. Drone, report any anomalies below. All systems green, continue. Welcome to this historic exhibition at the Eiffel Tower. Let us begin our discussion on global challenges. Thank you all for joining this ceremony. Today, we celebrate a new era in wooden construction.
This project sets new records for height and sustainability.
These certificates confirm it, a milestone for sustainable architecture. هذا إنجاز مذهل. إنه يجسد الإبداع البشري. Such a magnificent achievement. It's truly unique.
Un accomplissement pour l'humanité entière.
Japan leads the world in sustainable high-rise construction, creating a lasting technological legacy. These eco-innovations set a global standard for the future of urban development.